Hi everyone. If you have questions about how to complete the notes PDF, I'm going to show you that in this video. So when you're under the assignment for Unit 6 Lesson 1 notes, you're going to notice at the bottom or in the assignment there's a PDF and there's also a link to the video. So I'm going to start by clicking on the PDF. When I do that, it brings it up in just the viewer. So I want it to actually be in its own tab. So over on the top right side, I'm going to press the print button. And now you'll notice it opens it in a new tab at the top. Once it's in a new tab, there are blue boxes already on the note page that you can type in. So if I click in the box, I can actually type my name and then I can keep going. As I'm watching the video, I can type in each of those blue boxes. Now I want the video open also in a different tab. So I'm going to go back to the assignment and I hit the back button, so I'm right back at the assignment. And I'm going to go to the video. So I'm going to click on the video link. Okay. And I also want that in its own tab. So if I click on YouTube down here, now the actual YouTube video will pop up in another tab. And I'm going to pause that. And I want to create two windows. So it doesn't matter if you do the PDF or the video, but I'm going to actually drag that YouTube video tab until it's its own tab. Okay, so now it's only the only thing in this window. I'm sorry, it's a new window. So on the top right hand side, there's those two boxes. If I press that, it will make that smaller. Okay, and that's one tab I want to use. And I actually want to pause that. Okay, it is paused. So that is one window, okay, with one tab in it. I'm going to go back to the PDF and I'm also going to minimize this window. Okay, so now I can move them around any way that I want. So I want the YouTube on the left, it's just my preference, and I want the PDF on the right. I also want it to be large enough though so that I can type in it. So if you hover over the end, like the bottom left, you'll see arrows. And now I can adjust the size. Okay, so I can really adjust it to any size that I want. I want mine to be almost the full page, so I'm not going to go that big. But if I go to about that size with the window, I can see the whole page now. So now I'm going to go back to my YouTube window and I'm going to make that a little smaller. The cool thing about the YouTube is that as I make that smaller, it will adjust the size of the video. So you'll notice the video shrunk also. Okay, so now I can play the video and I can even make it, I don't want it full screen, but I can make it a little larger if I want to, but I'm going to hit play on the video.
Hello and welcome
And
to
while
another
he's
NGen
talking,
Math 8 lesson by eMath Instruction. My name is Kurt
I'm going to
Weiler, and
mute
today we're going
this.
to be doing...
While he's talking, I can, in the PDF, I can type. So when he tells me to type something in the input field, let's move forward. Okay, so he's going to show us what to type when I get to that point. And when he shows me what he wants to put in the input field, I can type that in on my PDF while the video is still running. And I still need to go a little bit forward. Okay, so he already has it there, time in seconds. So over here, I can write time in seconds in my PDF. My output is height in feet. Don't fast forward and you should listen to it, but you can do these two things at the same time. Okay, so when I'm done filling in all the blue boxes and my video's over, I'm going to go back to the top of my PDF and I'm going to click the down arrow and it will download it right to my drive, all filled out. What do I want to save it as? What I would do would save it with my name. So I would write my name, Leo, and unit 6 lesson 1 notes. And then if you want it in a particular folder, you can pick a folder to put it in. I can click on my unit 6, and now I have my notes page and I'll be able to find it next time. So I'm going to hit save. And then when I go back to the assignment and I want to turn it in, I can click from the Google Drive or from computer, it doesn't matter. And I'll be able to find my note page because I'm going to know exactly where it is. Now I have a ton of folders, but you probably have a lot less than I do. But I know where I saved it. I saved it under Unit 6. So when I get in there, it's that top PDF, and that's what I'm going to turn in. Okay, so hopefully that helps you do the PDF notes while watching the YouTube video. Let me know, please, if you have any other questions. You can email me. Thank you.